the Soviets launch an attack against the United States, the first thing we're going to want to do is to counter that ongoing attack, which will be their ICBM silos. You have to have in this country a penetrating bomber today. I could not stand in front of you and tell you I could carry out my mission if I didn't have a penetrating bomber today.
The B-2 is a superb example of the inherent technological advantage of a free enterprise system and of a free society. It will ensure that any potential adversary must face the uniquely effective retaliatory potential of the penetrating bomber, with its large payloads of high-yield weapons delivered with devastating accuracy on any target anywhere.